Happy birthday, Sir Chito! Enjoy your discounts!
Plus free movies! Free parking!
Yay!
Happy birthday, AMF from Seoul, South Korea.
Boss Tito, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Wishing you all the best and more success. Boss ko talaga kita dahil sa simula pa lang, magkasama na tayo sa Aris Components and then matagal na hindi nagkita and dito tayo nagkita uli. Me as a vendor and you as in key customer in PLDT. So again, walang nagbago pa rin sa'yo, mabait pa rin noon and mas mabait ngayon at mas gwapo. Happy birthday, boss.
Happy birthday, AMF. Good health and happy life. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Sir Chito. Yeah, today is your day. Yeah, we sincerely thank you for your trust and the partnership you give to Fiber Home. Yeah. So wish you a prosperous day and wish you all wish come true. And let's really cherish our partnership and friendship and hope you can enjoy your day and let's move forward and take the lead in sales. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Chito! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 60th
Wala
ba?
pang message naman.
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! We love you!
Cheers! Cheers ko. Cheers ko.
Birthday, Sir Tito.
Birthday, Sir Chito.
For you.
We purple you.
Hi, Sir Chito. From your billing admin family.
Happy
birthday
birthday and more
And more blessings to come. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Sir Chito!
Hi, Sir Chito. From your collection and account management family. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Sir Chito.
Happy birthday po.
From your payment family. Happy
birthday,
Sir Chito.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Chito. May all of your aspirations in life and personal prayers come true. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi! Happy birthday, Boss Chito, to our Mr. Posible. May you continue to inspire and lead us with the same passion and vision. May we be like you, calm and focused during challenging times. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chito. Thank you for always being there for us as a friend, as a colleague, and as a leader. May you have many more years to come. And to your lovely wife, Carrie, kumusta na? Happy birthday then. May you have many, many more years to come. God bless you.
Hi, parang Chito. Happy birthday. As John Lennon once said, count your life by smiles, not tears. Count your age by friends, not years. Discover and enjoy the senior years. Lots of reasons to be happy and healthy for you and your family, for you and Carrie. All the best. God bless.